Finally happened. Tesla bought Gen 3 cook and clean your house in 2 hours. Elon Musk shocked new design. It's finally happened. After years of teasing, prototypes, and bold promises from Elon Musk, the Tesla bot Gen 3, officially known as Optimus Gen 3, has arrived. And this time, it's not a concept. It's real. This humanoid robot doesn't just walk and wave anymore. It cooks, cleans, folds your laundry, organizes your home, and can complete a full set of domestic chores in under 2 hours. You heard that right. A humanoid robot made by Tesla that can manage your entire home while you sit back and relax. But here's the twist. This isn't just about chores. This is about rewriting what help even means in the human world. Elon Musk has always said the goal of Tesla wasn't just to make electric cars. It was to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy and artificial intelligence. And with the unveiling of the Tesla bot Gen 3, we may have just entered the next great leap in human civilization. Skeptics said it couldn't be done. Experts said humanoid robots were decades away. But as of 2025, Tesla has done what no one else could, blending AI, robotics, and real-world functionality into a single machine that actually works. And wait till you see what this robot can do when you leave it alone in your house. This isn't Boston Dynamics showing off dance routines. This is a robot that can wash your dishes, prepare your meals, clean your house, and even assist elderly family members, all powered by Tesla's AI-driven brain, built from the same technology that runs their self-driving cars. And get this, it learns as it works. Every single task it performs is part of a global learning system that teaches all Tesla bots worldwide how to improve. Meaning the more Tesla bots exist, the smarter they all get. So imagine, every second it's cleaning your house, it's also upgrading its brain. The future just got personal. So today on Road Zone Reviews, we're diving deep into how the Tesla bot Gen 3 actually works, what makes it so revolutionary, and how it could completely change your daily life forever. Let's begin. How can the Gen 3 Tesla bot redefine how we live? When you first see the Tesla bot Gen 3, it looks like something out of a science fiction movie. Smooth white surfaces, sleek carbon fiber limbs, and that signature black LED head display glowing softly. But beneath that futuristic design lies a real engineering miracle. The Gen 3 isn't just a robot that follows commands, it's a learning machine. It doesn't rely on pre-coded scripts. Instead, it uses Tesla's full self-driving neural network, the same one that allows Tesla cars to drive themselves, and applies it to human-like motion, visual recognition, and decision-making. So the question is, if a Tesla car can drive itself, what happens when that same brain gets legs and arms? Think of it like this. Every Tesla bot sees the world the way a self-driving car does, with sensors, depth maps, object tracking, and predictive behavior. It doesn't just see a chair, it understands it's a chair, how heavy it is, how to pick it up, and where to move it. Now imagine your Tesla bot in your kitchen. It opens the fridge, identifies the ingredients for your favorite meal, washes and chops them with robotic precision, and starts cooking, while another Tesla bot vacuum cleans the living room and organizes your laundry. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's happening inside real homes, right now. In under 2 hours, your home is spotless, dinner is ready, and you didn't lift a finger. That's the Tesla vision, creating not just automation, but intelligent companionship. Elon Musk once said, "The Tesla bot will eventually do everything humans don't want to do." This vision isn't about luxury, it's about time. The most valuable thing in our lives is time. And Tesla's goal is to give that back to you. Just as electric cars gave us freedom from fuel, the Tesla bot could give us freedom from chores. But the question is, When robots give us time, what will we humans do with it? This shift is monumental. Imagine millions of homes worldwide equipped with Tesla bots that clean, cook, and maintain everything automatically. The very concept of daily labor could change, freeing people to focus on creativity, business, and personal growth. That's how the Tesla Bot Gen 3 redefines how we live by taking the burden of daily survival and turning it into effortless living. What makes Gen 3 smarter and more capable than any home robot ever built? The genius of the Tesla bot isn't just in its AI, it's in its mechanical design. Each hand of the Gen 3 bot contains 22 tiny precision actuators, giving it the same range of movement and dexterity as a human hand. That means it can grip a glass gently, slice vegetables precisely, or even fold clothes perfectly without tearing fabric. But what's hidden inside those robotic hands will shock you, because Tesla built something no other company could. Tesla engineers call it the most advanced robotic hand ever built. Combination of strength and sensitivity that allows for both industrial and domestic tasks. And unlike traditional robots that rely on fixed joints, Tesla bots have biomimetic actuators, motors designed to mimic human muscles. Each movement looks natural, fluid, and eerily human. Even more impressive is its AI vision system. Powered by Tesla's Dojo supercomputer, the same platform that trains autonomous driving AI. This gives the bot real-time spatial awareness, depth perception, and 360-degree environmental understanding. So when it's moving through your house, it's not bumping into things like older robots. It's reading the room, predicting object motion, and reacting instantly. Drop something on the floor? Don't blink. This thing might catch it before it hits the ground. For instance, if you accidentally drop a cup, the Tesla bot can see it falling, calculate its trajectory, and catch it before it hits the floor. That's not just fast reflexes. That's real-time AI prediction. Elon Musk personally demonstrated this during a recent Tesla AI Day event, where the Gen 3 bot not only caught a falling object but also adjusted its grip pressure mid-air to prevent breaking it. The audience was stunned. Now let's talk about power and endurance. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 uses an ultra-efficient 4680 battery pack, giving it up to 8 hours of operational life per charge. Its carbon fiber skeleton keeps it lightweight, while its battery integration allows it to recharge using the same home charging ports as Tesla vehicles. But that's not all. The bot is silent. Thanks to Tesla's frictionless motor design, you can barely hear it move. And while other robots struggle with motion smoothness, Tesla's linear actuator control gives Gen 3 lifelike precision. The way it bends, walks, or turns feels almost human, a result of countless neural simulations running through Tesla's AI servers. So how close are we to a world where you can't tell the difference between a human and a Tesla bot? Here's where it gets even crazier. The Gen 3 Tesla bot can recognize and mimic human behavior. It doesn't just copy motion. It learns intent. If you're cleaning a counter a certain way, it understands why you're doing it that way and optimizes it for efficiency. This is where Tesla truly surpasses robotics companies like Boston Dynamics or Figure AI. Because while their robots move beautifully, they don't yet think like humans. Tesla's edge lies in its neural understanding, not just mechanical performance. In short, the Gen 3 Tesla bot isn't programmed, it's trained. How Tesla's AI and design turn the bot into a household assistant that learns like a human. Let's talk about what truly makes the Gen 3 special: its brain. Each Tesla bot uses the same custom-built AI chip used in Tesla cars, but optimized for real-world environments, not roads. This means it can process real-time video input, object mapping, voice recognition, and environmental data simultaneously. The bot uses Tesla Vision, a camera-based system that gives it human-like sight. Combine that with Dojo AI training, and you get something unprecedented, a robot that learns new skills just by watching you. Yes, you heard that right? It learns by watching you, just like a child. If you show your Tesla bot how to load a dishwasher or fold a shirt, it can replicate that action almost instantly. This is called imitation learning, and it's the same process humans use as children. But here's the incredible part. Once your Tesla bot learns something, that skill is uploaded to Tesla's global AI cloud, where it becomes instantly available to every other Tesla bot worldwide. So if one Tesla bot learns something new, every other one on Earth gets smarter too. Musk calls this collective intelligence for the physical world. This global learning network will allow Tesla to build an army of robots that improve daily, getting faster, safer, and smarter every single hour they operate. Over time, your Tesla bot won't just be a servant. It'll be a personal assistant that understands your lifestyle. It'll remember how you like your coffee, your favorite cleaning scent, and even anticipate tasks you normally forget. Imagine coming home after work. The lights adjust, your Tesla bot greets you by name, your favorite meal is cooking, and your house is spotless. That's not the future anymore, that's the new normal. And here's what makes it truly game-changing, the emotional layer. Tesla has integrated conversational AI from its Grok system, allowing the bot to speak naturally and even use humor. It can hold short conversations, respond to emotions, and sound human enough to feel like a companion rather than a tool. It's a delicate balance. Enough personality to be friendly, but not too much to be creepy. The LED face displays emotion through light animations, happy when it completes a task, curious when learning, and calm when idle. This subtle emotional design helps users connect without discomfort, something no other robotics company has perfected yet. So the real question is, when your robot starts understanding your feelings, does it stop being a machine? That's how Tesla bridges the gap between man and machine, not just through AI, but through trust, personality, and empathy in design. Finally. So here's where we stand, the Tesla bot. Gen 3 isn't just another gadget. It's a glimpse into the next stage of human evolution, where artificial intelligence steps out of screens and into our physical world. It's the first real example of a humanoid robot that can live with us, work with us, and learn from us. And if Elon Musk is right, this might just be Tesla's biggest product ever, even bigger than cars. Because while cars change how we move, the Tesla bot will change how we live. From cleaning and cooking to assisting the elderly and managing homes, this machine could soon become as common as smartphones, an everyday companion that handles what we don't have time for. But of course, this revolution comes with big questions. Are we ready for a world where robots live in our homes? Will we embrace them as helpers or fear them as competitors? The answer might define our entire future. Whatever your answer, one thing is certain. The future has arrived, and it looks a lot like the Tesla bot Gen 3. Thank you for watching this in-depth look at Tesla's most advanced creation yet. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more futuristic deep dives like this, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon and stay tuned right here on Road Zone Reviews, where we bring you the latest from Tesla, AI, and the future of technology. Because the next revolution isn't coming, it's already walking among us.